Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here with another video. And today's video I'm going to work on this Cat M318D excavator. The problem to this excavator is that its traveling speed is very slow. Let's go inside the cabin. This is a wheel excavator, okay, Caterpillar wheel excavator. I'm going to inside the cabin and show you what is the issue to this excavator. So now I have come inside the cabin. I'm going to on the machine. Now machine is in on position. So as you can see, now machine is in on position. Check service hours. So first problem is that you can see this diesel indicator, and this one is our water temperature indicator, and this one is our hydraulic indicator. These two are, you can see the color are blue, these are working, but this is red, though this one is not working. This one first, why it is off. So first we check why is it off. And if here we come here, so these are all the, you can, this one is blinking. So therefore I think maybe this traveling issue has, so maybe there's a traveling issue is there. This is blinking. Okay, so first way I try to start it and check. So now machine is in static position, so it's low, it's still blinking. I try to, so you can see this is slow speed. Now is a full speed. Our speed problem will finish. So machine will show the speed in this area. Okay, here we can see the speed, how much speed is there. Okay. Viewers, first I will try to scroll this monitoring screen. So this one is our main button. Press it. By using these key functions, I will move to these icons. Just maintenance, check the maintenance about. Just scroll down, check this one. Okay, so I will go to the checking interval, no need, engine status, no need, lifetime, it's no need. Check to the temperature, pressures. Come down. Okay, so here you can also check that engine oil pressure is coming, clutch pressure is also there, inlet air pressure is also here, inlet air temperature also here, but you can see the oil, hydraulic oil temperature not showing. Will it come down? Coolant temperature is also showing. So hydraulic oil temperature is not showing, me some problem is to a sensor of related to the hydraulic system. So I check my hydraulic system first, where's the problem. But one thing is, you can see the hydraulic temperature also not coming. So this one is a clue. Okay, we have to go which direction we have to go. This is the one. Secondly, this one is showing us this temperature. This may be also a temperature of hydraulic temperature. So first I check the hydraulic temperature sensor is problem or another issues. So first I check this one. I am going to off the machine and check the hydraulic system. And so you can see this is my engine, and this is my hydraulic pump. It is directly joined here to the engine. Engine drive this pump. Okay, so yeah, the hydraulic function all are there, and I show you. Going to inside. So I came on this area. This is my all hydraulic system is here. Okay, I found one wire, this connector. Okay, you can see one connector is broken here. I'm not sure this connector for what purpose. I will go on this side and will check, try to check this connector from where it, you can see it's broken. Okay, yes, this one is my sensor from where this connector is broken. Okay, so this is my hydraulic tank. This you can see, this showing the level of the hydraulic. Okay, level is okay one, and this one is I think this one is my hydraulic temperature sensor. So this one is my hydraulic temperature sensor, and this connector is broken. So viewers, this time I don't have a new sensor with me. What I have to do now this time, just I remove this side from this connector and clean it and try to fix here. Here are the stainless wires are there, so I will fix it and let you know my problem is little solved or not, and after it I will bring new sensor and fix it here. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one. Okay, now off camera I will remove, clean it, and when I fix back then let you know in the dashboard. Okay, so here you can see I have cleaned this connector also, and this side is a sensor side. This is a cover of the sensor where we fix the connectors. Okay, this is broken. I also actually I am standing here is very hardly. So this is a sensor. You can see I clean this area. Okay, so I will try to this time. I don't have also something to join it here. So you can see this is sensor. Okay, so I will going to fix it here. Think like this. Okay, I think this is the best way. So you can see, so now I will join it. I am going inside the cabin and check my hydraulic temperature gauge is working or not. Okay, so yes, now I have came inside the cabin. I'm going to on the machine. Now my machine is on conditions. So wow, so you can see now the hydraulic temperature gauge is also now alive. It's working good. Okay, now all you can see, before this turtle was blinking. Now it's not blinking. Now it's stop it. So I hope its speed will be good. So I'm going to start it. So now my machine has started. Okay, so all three gauges are now in a working condition. Okay, so what I'm going to do, so now I am open the brake. This one you can see, this side is our parking brake, or you can see the function, stop the function. I put it down. Now it's down. Now I will move the machine and they will check it. So now the speed has increased. You can see this is the first gear. So you can see the speed is good. Okay, working good. So now I put in second one. You know this was not blinking. Okay, now is seconds. So here you can see, now we can see on the monitor the second speed is a good one. Before we couldn't see this speed. So after fixing the sensor, so now we can see the speed is here and it goes up to the 30. So my problem is solved. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends.